Oh, Michael, not me.
Yeah, you. All right, Michael, tell me what you did.
Yeah, this chair got a 4 stickers, so I put 3 stick machine at the same time. Because the other stickers the other side. So if we can flip the chair, I will be able to put a sticker at the same time.
And this is the first time we've done 3 stickers, right? 3 machines?
Yeah. Look very good.
That's awesome, man.